Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I bring you a full face slash get ready with me using all the products I was loving in the month of June. These are products that I was just reaching for a lot, that I noticed that were just in heavy rotation in the month of June. Okay, I have skincare, I have of course beauty, and I even have fragrance to share with you guys. So with that said, grab your cafecito, grab some notes, because y'all, some of these products are so bomb and I know you're going to love them. So grab your cafecito and let's get ready together. Before we talk about anything makeup, skincare, we just give a huge shout out to the show Queen Charlotte on Netflix. Oh my gosh, you guys told me to watch it, and of course I listened to you. And I am obsessed. I am on episode 6, Crown Jewels. I'm not gonna speak on it or say anything because some of y'all got mad at me last time, but let's just say that if you love Bridgerton, you have to watch this one if you haven't already, which I know tons of you have. So just wanted to mention that thank you for letting me know about this show. I wasn't sure if I wanted to watch it, but it makes sense and it really connects the story of Bridgerton to this. It's just like the backstory of Queen Charlotte. It is so good. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. Okay, let's jump right into skincare. So many of you know that I am on a tretinoin journey. I recently amped it up to 3 times a week. So I'm doing tretinoin Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and my skin has been reacting really well to it. The only thing that I've noticed is that my skin is dry as a desert, which is normal, and you get that with tretinoin, right? I'm also peeling a lot, which kind of sucks, but I recently got a PR from the brand Vichi, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, Vichy. They sent over a bunch of products, and honestly at the beginning I was like, well, it's just another brand, you know, another product. I wasn't interested in trying them out because I am so obsessed with my Korean skincare brand. But oh my gosh, y'all, okay, if you suffer from dryness, flaky skin, dehydrated skin, if your skin just needs to look plump and dewy and just amazing, you have to try this. So the first thing that I like to do is I go in with the mineralizing thermal water spray. So this is rich in 15 minerals. It creates a stronger barrier. Your skin just looks healthier and it just gives you a beautiful natural dew look to your skin. So I spray this all over. I let that dry down. And then I go in with the Vichi. You'll have to correct me in the comment section down below. But this is their eye cream. It's not my favorite, but I do like it for the morning routine. It's very light, it's non-greasy, and it hydrates, which is why I really like it, because my skin in general is just dry. So I do 2 pumps and I apply that underneath the eyes. And then I go in with my probiotic treatment, or sorry, my prebiotic treatment. So this is a serum, and what it does really, it just helps with the elasticity on your skin. Your skin appears more radiant. The texture on my skin looks better. Fine lines are supposed to kind of disappear or reduce in 4 weeks. I will have to keep you posted on that. My skin in general just looks healthier. It absorbs into the skin really quick. It is non-greasy, it is non-sticky, which for me is great because I am oily. So I will go in with this one, and then I will finish it off with their 89 booster, which is this one, and then the booster cream. So this is a 72-hour moisture boosting cream. This one contains hyaluronic acid, excuse me, and this one also contains hyaluronic acid. So pretty much these are just going to give you extreme hydration if you are lacking luster, if your skin is dry, it's dull, it is just overall dry. Like, these two together are a powerhouse. Oh my gosh, like right now I have pretty much a full face of makeup, and you do not see a flake inside, and I am peeling right here, right here, and right here. So the moisturizing cream, I do mainly focus this at night, and I will use something lighter in the morning. Honestly, you can just use this alone and you are good to go, especially if you're oily combination skin. But I like to take a little bit of the cream and apply it around the nostrils because that's where I have a lot of dryness, and this just like gives me it sucks it up and it gives me so much hydration. My skin just looks dewy overall. Now for my makeup routine, I've been switching it up lately. I haven't done like a full face of like foundation on the days that I don't film in a while. The technique that I've been doing is literally like my favorites. So I started doing this a while ago when it went viral, and I just kind of like stuck with it, especially now during the summer. I like to go in with my Hourglass concealer. Honestly, any concealer will do, anything that's like full coverage and that matches your skin pretty closely, I think looks the best versus a very brightening concealer. I will tell you why. But I am in the shade Beach, again in the Hourglass concealer. I apply this underneath my eyes. I will go down the nose, on my chin, on the center of my forehead, and then down like the cheeks, just as if I'm going to contour. I let that sit for a good 2-3 minutes. I love that this concealer doesn't dry out, so I can blend it out and it still gives me that beautiful full coverage. That's all I will do. I will leave it as is, blend it out, and then I will go in with my LYS contour stick. This has been my absolute favorite in the shade No Limits, or Harmony, I believe is the shade. I love this. I love this. Like, I waited so long to get my hands on it and I am just obsessed. This is all I use every single time I do my makeup routine now. It is creamy, it is blendable, it is pigmented, and it just blends out so nicely. So you guys know that I've been obsessed with this. I've been using it a lot. So I did have a few new products that I wanted to incorporate into today's Get Ready With Me, and these are a part of that. So these are the brand new Colourpop blushes. These are the Weightless Liquid Blush. I have the shade Royal Flush, Super Shy, Culver City, as well as Angel Face. They have more shades, but these are the ones that I received in PR, and I just wanted to try them with you guys. And oh my goodness, these are so pretty. They're not overly pigmented, but they have a very like natural, dewy, like wet finish to the skin. I went in with the shade Culver City, and it gives you that really pretty, like soft blush without overdoing it. This wears so nicely and it looks and blends super nicely on the skin. So I will have to keep you posted as far as how I like them, but so far I already really like them, and I know these are going to be in my rotation. For my setting powder, y'all, oh my gosh, I have been obsessed with the two new shades from One Size. I have the shade Ultra Peachy. I like to use this one underneath my eyes because it's really brightening. It has that really pretty peachy undertone, so it's not only going to correct at the same time, but it's really going to give you a bright under eye. Like, One Size just does no wrong in my eyes. And then I go in with the shade Sweet Honey, which is a little deeper. It has a little bit more of a yellow undertone, and I like to use that to bake underneath my cheekbones, on the center of my forehead, and literally anywhere else. These are so amazing. I am so glad that they added these shades because they are perfect. Like, the colors are just perfection. Now for my eyes, I've been keeping it very simple. This has kind of been like my go-to look because it is a little like cutesy, but also, like I said, very simple. I have been going in with the Laura Mercier, what is this? The Caviar Stick Eye Color in the shade Sepia. I am not an eyeshadow stick girly, but let me tell you, this color is so pretty because it does dry matte. It doesn't move, it doesn't budge, it doesn't crease, it doesn't do anything. So I just apply it all over my lid, and then I take a fluffy brush and I blend it out, and it blends super nicely. And then on top of that, I've been using the Wonder Skin Longwear eyeliner in the shade Kalamata, I believe that's the shade. It's a really pretty dark brown. These are eyeliners. They're so creamy, you guys. They glide and they blend so easy. I just apply them on the lash line and then I blend them out a little bit. They blend so nicely on the eyes, or the of course the eyes. So I've been using that as like a little eyeliner moment, and it just stays in place and it looks so good. For my highlighter, of course, you guys have seen me use this over and over again. The new L'Oreal Infallible highlighter in the shade Champagne Glow has been my true obsession. It is so pretty on the skin, and it's not overly glittery, it's not too heavy, it's not too thick. It's just the perfect shade and the perfect consistency. So yeah, I've been obsessed with this. Now for my lips, this is my new go-to lip combo. I actually have two. The first one is my Anastasia lip liner in the shade Soft Brown with Double Dates Colourpop liquid lipstick. Oh my gosh, these two together are perfection. But I recently discovered a new lip combo and I love it. I also use my soft brown or cool brown, yeah, cool brown lip liner, and then I go in with the Girlactik Naked lipstick. Look at how pretty this shade is. It is the perfect peachy nude. Oh my gosh, do you guys remember Girlactik? Like, she was the it girl, like when, you know, the beauty influencers first started. But anyways, I top it off with Beverly Nude Jello Gloss Balm. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. They smell so good, and they give you the prettiest like sheen on the lips without being like glossy, goopy, or anything like that. So this lip combo, girl, you need it, okay? The last two items that I wanted to talk about are perfumes. You guys know that I love collecting perfumes, and I recently hopped on the train of the Yara perfumes. I see these all over my For You page, and I was like, I don't need them, I don't need them. But for Mother's Day, my husband ordered me some, and oh my gosh, every time I wear this one in specific, I get told, what are you wearing? You smell so good. Oh my gosh, you smell delicious. Who is that that smells like that? I'm like, me. So this is the Latafa Mayar perfume. Not exactly sure if that's how you pronounce it, but these are Arabic perfumes and they smell so good. This one, y'all, is going to be like, you will not be disappointed. So many of my friends ordered this after I showed it to them because they're like, I need that. It is the most fresh. It's like a sweet, fresh, fruity scent. I don't know how to describe perfumes, okay? But if there's one thing that you need, it's this one. And they're so inexpensive and they last all freaking day. These have maybe a 4 to 6 hour wear on me, and I can smell them on my clothes like 2-3 days later. The other one that I also really love is the Yara Latafa, which is this one right here. This one, I've seen it a lot on my For You page. Now this one, it's a little bit more soft, a little bit more feminine, a little bit powdery. It almost reminds me of Burberry Her, but with a powdered scent, and it's just very soft. So if you don't like anything strong, like this one is a little bit on the stronger side, this is just a little more toned down. It's a little more soft, and like I said, very, very feminine, very, very subtle on you. So love these. I've been obsessed with Arabic perfumes. I'm definitely going to expand my collection of Arabic perfumes because these just, oh, they smell so good. So guys, that is everything that I have been loving in the month of June. This is like my go-to products. This is like my current makeup routine and what I've been doing to just achieve this look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something new. I hope you guys saw some new products that hopefully intrigued you, and if you want to add them to your cart, I will have them linked in the description box down below. Also, these perfumes, I will have them in my Amazon storefront, which is linked in the description box down below. I do earn a small commission, like if you shop through there, but these are super affordable, so I know you're gonna want them both, okay? All right, you guys, that is it for me. I need to go make dinner because it is late. It is 3:20 in the afternoon, and I should have gotten started about 20 minutes ago. So with that said, I love you guys. Stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.